Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's Affiliate Millionaire in 2 minutes, we're going to answer the question, what types of websites convert well? And in a moment, I'll reveal the best one to build for an affiliate. What types of affiliate websites convert well? A few types, actually, that have one thing in common, and that is a strong call to action. What action do you want your visitor to take? Make sure you tell them what it is. Branding sites don't do well for affiliate marketing. These sites are just not as effective for affiliate marketing as they're more focused on helping people learn about the company. Information sites can do well. They aren't quite as focused as review sites as they are meant to capture people who maybe aren't quite ready to buy and they need more information about the product or service first. Again, you would create content that helps people understand the product or service and then provide the link to get it. Review sites can do really well, and they don't have to be hard to set up. You would put together a few articles, videos, or podcasts where you talk about the benefits of a product or service and then provide a link for people to find out and purchase more. Single page bridge sites can do very well if you get the right warmed up traffic to them first. This is basically a single page with some high level details about the product or service, a picture or quick video, and either an opt-in if you want to build a list, which is recommended, or just a link where the person can either check the offer or just leave the page. Okay, but the best type of site for affiliate marketing is a funnel site. This is where you guide people along a sales process through a series of steps or pages on your site. These work really well because you're actually building a relationship with your audience as you help them along the journey. If you like these quick hit marketing videos, please click the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. In the next video, we'll discuss getting traffic, and I'll reveal the best traffic to get. See you then.